Do you want to create a passive income stream in your business? Like the idea of earning money while you sleep? Then grab a pen, a pad and stick around. So hi, I'm Abby and I help mum bloggers turn their blogs into businesses. Today I'm going to show you how to create and sell your own digital products. Now, what do I mean by the term digital products? Well, these can be courses, workbooks, checklists, spreadsheets, templates, anything like that people can pay for and then download is classed as a digital product. So digital products are a fabulous way to bring passive income into your business. Once you've created them, you can sell them over and over again in a totally automated way. So, which is brilliant, isn't it? So how you create your digital product will depend on the nature of the product that you choose. So if you want to record a video, you can do that through Camtasia, iMovie, Filmora. There's loads of different platforms that you can use, and you can even shoot it right there on your mobile phone. A screen share can also be done through Camtasia or one of the other platforms. Spreadsheets can be done in Numbers or Excel, and if you've got a text-based product, then that can be done in Pages, Microsoft Word, Canva, InDesign, Photoshop, you name it. There are so many options out there, and one will definitely suit you. So courses can be delivered straight through your autoresponder. So just through your email autoresponder, you can have a PayPal button on your site, and it can all be really low key to start with. So once you've created this product and it's going to be an awesome product, then how do you sell it? So there are different ways that you can sell your product, and some of them will depend a little bit on the product itself. And you can even start super low key, just have a sales page on your blog and a password protected page, a PayPal button, and you're going to be good to go. So people pay through PayPal, get access to this secret page, and that could be as simple as you had it to start with. If you want a more robust system, then you can sell courses through Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, one of the other platforms. Digital products can also be sold through Samcart. I use Samcart myself in conjunction with Teachable as well. And if you've got a WordPress site, you can use WooCommerce or Easy Digital Downloads, that's easy for you to say, to sell your products through. So when I first started selling digital products, I sold my first few through a system called, or a service called PayHip. And it's a really great service that takes a small commission from each sale, so there are no monthly fees to pay out, which is a bit of a worry when you're first starting, because you don't want to pay for something that you're not necessarily going to use or see the benefit. So other similar options could be SendOwl and DPD. So you can also create your digital downloads and sell them on a platform like Etsy through an Etsy shop, or have set yourself up on Creative Market. So do you have an idea of an info product, a digital download that you can sell? Hopefully you have now. So make sure you go to download the freebie that comes with this video. It's my Plan for Passive Planner, and it will help you get started in creating your very own digital product. So go to bit.ly/plan for passive planner. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I'll be back soon with more top tips.